If you're planning a cruise in 2026, there's one thing you should not overlook. Travel insurance. Because cruises are not like normal trips. You're not just booking a flight and a hotel. You're committing to a fixed schedule, multiple destinations, and strict cancellation rules. And if something goes wrong, you don't just lose time, you can lose a lot of money. So instead of taking that risk, here are the 3 best cruise travel insurance options right now, clearly explained, so you know exactly which one fits your trip. Let's start with one of the most complete and reliable options. Allianz Travel Insurance. Allianz is one of the most established names in travel insurance. And for cruises, it really stands out. It covers all the essentials: trip cancellation, trip interruption, emergency medical expenses, lost baggage, and delays. But here's where it becomes especially valuable for cruises. If you miss your departure because of a delay, or your trip gets interrupted mid-cruise, you're protected. That's critical. Because cruises don't wait. It also offers strong emergency medical coverage, which is important since medical care at sea or in foreign ports can be extremely expensive. Another advantage is reliability. Claims are generally processed well, and the coverage is consistent. So if you want something that simply works with solid protection across the board, Allianz is one of the safest choices. Now let's move to a more flexible and modern option. World Nomads. This is built for travelers who want more control and flexibility. This is especially useful if your cruise is just one part of a bigger trip. You can customize your coverage, adjust it based on your activities, and in many cases, even extend your insurance while you're already traveling. That's something most providers don't allow. It also covers a wide range of activities and excursions. So if your cruise includes things like diving, hiking, or guided tours, you're more likely to be protected. This makes it a great option for people who don't just stay on the ship, but actually explore every destination. The trade-off? It can be slightly more expensive depending on your coverage choices, but in return, you get flexibility and broader protection. Now let's talk about a more balanced and budget-friendly option. Travel Guard is a strong middle ground. It gives you the core protections you need: trip cancellation, medical coverage, delays, and baggage protection without going too far into premium pricing. What makes it practical is the variety of plans. You can choose a basic option if you just want essential coverage, or upgrade if you want more protection. It's straightforward, easy to understand, and works well for most travelers. If you don't need advanced features but still want to be covered, this is a smart choice. Now, before choosing any insurance, there are a few things that matter more than the brand itself. First, cancellation coverage. Cruises often require full payment upfront, and cancellation policies can be strict. Without insurance, you risk losing everything. Second, emergency medical coverage. Healthcare on a cruise ship or in another country can be very expensive. This is one of the most important protections you can have. Third, delays and missed departures. If your flight is delayed and you miss your cruise, the cost can be significant. Good insurance helps cover that. And finally, trip interruption. If you need to leave your cruise early for any reason, you want to be protected. So which one is the best? Here's the simple breakdown. Allianz is the best for full coverage, and reliability. World Nomads is the best for flexibility and active travel. Travel Guard is the best for balance and affordability. The key is not choosing the cheapest option. It's choosing the one that matches your trip, because cruises are expensive and the risks are different. And when something unexpected happens, the right insurance doesn't just save you money. It saves your entire trip. The bottom line is simple. If you're investing in a cruise in 2026, travel insurance is not optional. It's part of the trip. Choose wisely and you'll travel with confidence from the moment you step on board.